Hello all, welcome to Selenium Python Training Series. In this session, as part of Selenium WebDriver, I'm going to practically demonstrate how to launch or directly launch the Chrome browser in maximized mode. Okay, you are not going to launch the Chrome browser in first normal mode and then to maximize mode. Rather, directly you want to launch the Chrome browser into the maximize mode. How that is possible in Selenium Python? That is possible with the help of this thing in Chrome options. Okay, we have to set this particular argument in Chrome options, that is start maximized argument. We have to add to this Chrome options and we have to apply. Then your browser will directly launch in maximize mode. Let me show you everything for you. First, I'll show you the normal way of maximizing a Chrome browser using one of the Selenium Python command where we are not applying any Chrome options argument. Okay, so here I'll be writing the code from scratch. I'll be writing webdriver.chrome and it will return you the object reference, that is driver. Then I'll simply say driver dot. You see, at this point when I run the script, right, the Chrome browser will launch it in normal mode and I have to change it to maximize mode. Driver dot maximize window. This will change from normal mode to the maximize mode, but still directly it's not launching into maximize mode. First it is launching in some mode and then it is changing to maximize mode. Okay, I'll show you that practically. Time.sleep. I'll just for demo purpose, I'm adding this here and there so that you can see how the browser is launching initially. The browser is not directly launching in maximize mode. Rather, we are changing that into maximize mode later, right? During the script. Run the script, you'll see that practically it will open the Chrome browser in normal mode first. And after 3 seconds, it will maximize with the help of this command. You see normal mode. This is not maximize mode, normal mode. After 3 seconds, as per the demo, it will get maximized. Then we'll close the browser, right? This is what is the thing. Now, what I want to do is I don't want to launch the browser in normal mode first and then go for maximize mode. It's not like that. Directly, I want to launch the Chrome browser in maximize mode. How that is possible? I don't want to write all this stuff. Rather, I want to launch the Chrome browser directly into the maximize mode. For that, we have to write this. We have to apply these Chrome options. Okay, we have to write webdriver.chrome options. Like this, you have to create an object and object reference. You can name that as, Chrome options kind of thing. And now with the help of this object reference of the Chrome options, you call this command, that is add argument. And here in the add argument, you pass that maximize command. Okay, so we have this command, right? -- start -- maximize. Okay, start -- maximized. Then apply this Chrome options. Don't forget to apply this Chrome options here. Copy this Chrome options. Now type options here. Options is equal to, then paste the object reference here for which this particular start maximize argument is applied. Now this time you will see that the Chrome browser will not start in normal mode. Rather, by default itself, directly it will launch in maximize mode. You can see that now. Sorry, I just selected some other option. Right click run. Just see the Chrome browser will directly launch. You see the Chrome browser is launching in maximize mode. This is what I mean to say. Okay. So hope guys you understood how to launch the Chrome browser directly in maximize mode with the help of these Chrome options in this session. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye-bye.